Today we're talking about how you can use SEO and Google Ads to improve the performance of both channels. Yes, SEO influences Google Ads increases the performance of SEO, and it works in this beautiful positive feedback loop. We'll show you exactly how to do it, how to grow the revenue of both channels using them in a smart way. We'll first go into how SEO increases the performance on your Google Ads. It's directly in that dashboard, SEO can have an influence, and it's usually one people don't put into account. And then next, we're going to look at how you can use Google Ads to actually increase the ranking of pages on your website and start to increase the overall SEO on your website. So we have a really fun episode today. Let's jump in. SEO improves your Google Ads performance, quite literally in the dashboard itself. Google Ads is a huge AI machine. It feeds off every user that comes into the website to understand who you're marketing to, your target audience avatar or persona, however as a marketer you think about it. Of course, they're using big data and Chrome website data to know exactly who's coming to your website. And it's really important when they're coming from specific keywords that are high value, high intent keywords so that it can really map those people out. This itself allows Google Ads to perform better, identify your target audience and the customer that's actually going to convert because it uses and feeds off all of this data. SEO is a huge net, one of the best traffic generation channels in the world where you can get reoccurring traffic in a scalable way without relying on social media and going viral. And in this way, it's so useful for really giving Google Ads the data it needs to understand its audience without spending all of your budget just on trying different things out to get visitors to the website. And not only this, it also improves your ad quality score, which makes your ad cheaper. A lot of on-page and content SEO work really creates those pages as better quality pages to Google. And then Google remarkets. So every visitor that comes on your website, even if it's just to a blog or it's to, some kind of page, Google will remarket to them, especially if you're using PMAX campaigns or a traditional remarketing campaign. Either of those campaigns will take the visitors of the website and start following them around in a pretty creepy way to advertise to them. All of that will show up in your dashboard. And so if you're seeing problems in your dashboard, it could also be an SEO problem. All channels work together holistically, and this is how SEO directly improves your Google Ads performance. Google Ads improves your Google SEO rankings. This is a revelation that happened recently with Mike King and Rand Fishkin releasing the API leak of Google's ranking factors. What this API leak showed is that user engagement signals and essentially traffic itself is a ranking factor. People have been saying this since the beginning of SEO. We've always thought that bounce rate, user engagement, CTR, all these metrics was important for ranking. Rand Fishkin back in the day did a tweet just telling people to search a keyword and click on that result. It was at position 5, and when his whole audience did that, it moved out to position 1. And so user engagement signals are important. And what this API leak showed is that actual user engagement signals, Google is tracking with their Chrome web browser, and they're looking at everything. And so what this means is that the actual traffic and engagement on your website is very important for ranking in SEO. And you can really gather that engagement signals from Google Ads, especially if you create a proper campaign that's profitable. And so you have thousands of people coming to your website. They're converting, they're clicking, they're looking. All these user engagement signals, Google takes into account and sees it as an important signal. And so if you're able to create a Google Ads account and even funnel that traffic to your SEO pages, you can get a nice boost in traffic and boost in rankings. And there are other ways that Google Ads improves your SEO too. In just a pure analysis standpoint, Google Ads gives you so much data. For an SEO nerd, this is amazing. You can see keywords and exactly their conversion rate. So not just the amount of traffic they bring you, but how many conversions and at what percentage of conversions per clicks do they give you. And so this way you can prioritize your SEO and really figure out the keywords that are driving revenue rather than just driving traffic. And so this is the only way you can get that true conversion data and a lot of just interesting data from Google within its Search Insights report on Google Ads. Another important factor too is that with Google Ads and all advertising, you're also building up your brand. So you're building up brand searches, how many people are searching up your brand on Google. And this is another factor, although somewhat of an indirect or ambiguous one, but it is a factor. How many people actually look up your brand? How established are you? All of these things can be improved by Google Ads as well as all kinds of advertising channels. And so I hope that's useful for understanding how Google Ads and SEO work together and how you can use them to better execute your marketing strategy. If that was insightful and you want to see exactly how we can extract this data from your accounts and really figure out how to create a plan to connect the two channels, leave a like, a comment, ask me questions. I'm always here to help. And if you are a business struggling to get that traction or you want to amplify things, I have a Calendly link in my description. You can check out my website, all of that. Let's talk. We can help. So I hope you have a great day and thank you.